Laziness and the infinite. Generators are lazy, meaning that computation only happens just in time when the next result is requested. This interesting and useful property of generators means that they can be used to model infinite sequences. Since values are only produced as requested by the caller, and since no data structure needs to be built to contain the elements of the sequence, generators can safely be used to produce never-ending or just very large sequences like sensor readings, mathematical sequences such as primes or factorials, or perhaps the contents of multi-terabyte files. The authors of this course are sworn by sacred oath never to use either Fibonacci or quicksort implementations in demonstrations or exercises. Allow us to present the function for the Lucas series, which has nothing whatsoever to do with the order in which you should watch the episodes of Star Wars. The Lucas series starts with 2 and 1, and each value after that is the sum of the two preceding values. So the first few values of the sequence are 2, 1, 3, 4, 7, and 11. The first yield produces the value 2. The function then initializes a and b, which hold the previous two values, needed as the function proceeds. Then the function enters an infinite while loop, where first it yields the value of b, and then second, a and b are updated to hold the new previous two values, using a neat application of tuple unpacking. Now that we have the Lucas generator, it can be used like any other iterable object. For instance, to print the Lucas numbers, you could use a loop like this. For x in Lucas, print x. Of course, since the Lucas sequence is infinite, this will run forever, printing out values until your computer runs out of memory. Use Ctrl-C to terminate the loop.